Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I will show you the step-by-step for setup, operation, precautions, care and maintenance of Brava Jet M6. Without further ado, let's get started. When you open the box, you'll see the robot mop and its charging dock. In another box, we have the cleaning solution, power cord, wet and dry mopping pad. Below the robot is a dock tray. Along with this is the manual and warranty booklet. And with that, we are done with the unboxing.
Now we have come to the setup. Prepare your robot, charging dock, drip tray and power cord. Place the charging dock near an area with an outlet and good Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the power cord into the charging dock. And then plug the other end of it into the power outlet. Place the charging dock on a flat surface. Make sure that no obstacles are present at least 1 meter away from left and right of the charging dock. Next, attach the drip tray by placing it in front of the charging dock. To activate your robot, slide it onto the charging station contacts. The ring will light up and you will hear a sound after a few minutes. That's the sign that your robot has been activated. Place the wet or dry mopping pad on the other side of the robot. If you want to detach the existing pad, just press the button on the front of the robot. In order to optimize cleaning performance, it is important that the tank is filled completely. You can fill your tank with just water or a mixture of water and Brava Jet hard floor cleaning solution. Also, you should not use any cleaning solution with your robot other than water to prevent any clogging and internal damage. You can use our proprietary cleaning solution. It's tested and proven to work flawlessly with the Brava series. After you have completed the setup, you can download the iRobot Home app and connect to it. Without using the iRobot Home app, you still can operate the robot by using the 3 buttons. The clean button comes with a few functions. It can start, pause, and resume the robot. If you hold it for 3 seconds, it will end its job and go to sleep mode. If you hold it for 10 seconds, it will reboot itself. If you want to send your robot back to its charging dock, just press the home button. Then you will see a blue light ring, which means your robot is seeking its charging dock. This feature will only work if your robot is started from the charging dock. If you want your robot to clean a localized area, place your robot at the center of the space that you want to focus and then press Spot Clean button. When your robot senses its water tank needs to be refilled, you will see a red light ring spinning around the lid. Now, I will share with you some care and maintenance tips for your robot. To clean the bottom sensors, gently wipe it using a damp cloth. To clean the wheels, just pull off any hair or dust that gathers around the wheels. To clean the tank, remove the tank first and fill it up with warm water. Do not use boiling water. Now you can close the cap and lightly shake the tank. To clean the dock tray, take it out from the charging dock and clean it with damp cloth or warm water in sink. Wait until it is dry. Then you can place it back to the charging dock. To clean the cleaning pad, if you prefer to hand wash it, make sure to clean it with warm water. If by using washing machine, then you have to use warm cycle and let it air dry. Remember not to put it in dryer. Here are some precautions you have to know. A robot mop has a lot of electrical parts inside, so do not submerge it in water. If it needs cleaning, simply use a damp cloth to wipe the robot surface and you're done. Your robot mop is for indoor use and on hard surface floors only, so you should not bring it outdoors. Do not use this device to pick up large trash, bleach, paint, or other chemicals. More importantly, you shouldn't use it to pick up anything that is burning or smoking. Before you get the robot mop to work, you have to remove fragile objects from the cleaning area, including objects on furniture that may fall if the furniture is pushed or bumped. You have to move any power cords as well as cords for blinds and curtains out of the way to reduce the risk of objects being pulled down.
Your robot is not a toy, so do not sit or stand on it. Parents should supervise their kids and pets when your robot is running. Alright, it is the end of the video. If you have any questions to ask, kindly contact our customer service or drop your message on our website. We are always welcoming you. Thank you for watching and bye bye.